dangerous. But can you do this in your country? $150. 1 minute ago, 150. Well, today we're gonna do a heart rate test on the fastest homemade electric dirt bike. So we're gonna measure it with this thingy. It's an Apple Watch. It's quite spot on when it comes to measuring the heart rate. I'm gonna put it on. Yesterday I made a crucial mistake because I forgot to charge the bike. Right now it's at 53% of the capacity. So we are at 90. Okay, I'm redlining already. Let's check it now. 110 1 minute ago. Now is, come on, 130. Oh shit. I'm here to grab new battery and I am at 118. Let's do some wheelies now and then hit the public road. Oh, did you see? That's the benefit of electric. You can see the wildlife all the time. This is interesting. Should I do something? Let's see the state of the roads here in Slovenia. In your country, can you see something like this? Look, I'll go inside. This is dangerous. But can you do this in your country? Probably not. Plus 150. 1 minute ago, 150. Last one, 150. Now it's 109. But 150, 130, okay. I closed the road to film this. Every car you see is extra, so don't do this. 130, it's way too much. Do you remember what happened here? Yeah. Imagine at that time measuring the heart rate. I scratched the watch climbing into that pothole. Oh. This is not a road anymore. I'm afraid I'm gonna lose the phone. I always carry it here. Where you carry the phone? Okay. Let's see now. 120, but this is like I don't know, it's just a workout. 144. Okay, let's go back down and analyze everything from minimum to low. It's so sketchy to ride over this thing because you don't know if the wet like branch is gonna be under, so you're gonna slip like. It got much worse than last time I rode it up here. Okay, you press the brake, it's going even faster. Okay. So I'm thinking about selling this bike. Oh, what a monster! Get the Okay, let's look at now at the stats. Hopefully it's gonna not fall in, but it's stable. Okay, let's see now. Okay, decibels, 113 decibels. That's interesting. Let's see it. So minimum 78, which is like okay number for that, and maximum 165. But you know, I hope so I don't have problems in my heart, but it's a workout, you know. Maybe next time I should do full charge and do the same thing. So yeah, here you have it. The results are clear. Full send.